Sausage, I presume. And then let's see what's in here.
That's just gonna come out in a sec. I just warmed it.
It's just bread.
Yeah.
What kind of bread is that?
I think it's ciabatta. I'm gonna try it off now. It's piping hot.
It's guacamole.
It's just avocado. It's just smashed avocado, and I put some salt, pepper, and lemon juice in it. Put it on the plate, on the table maybe. On the bench. There you go.
You want them just over easy?
Whatever.
So just cook a little bit on one side?
Yeah.
On both sides?
Yeah, both sides, I think. Okay.
We just had a really good breakfast and we're gonna head out. We were gonna go to Kent Lake today, and that's not too far. It's a couple of mile hike on a fire road, so nothing really difficult. But Vicki was reading about a place called Tomales Bay, and they say if you're up in this area, you really shouldn't miss it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head over there. It's about 45 minutes northwest of here, and there's a trail there. I don't know how much of the trail we'll do. We hiked almost 10 miles yesterday, so I'm a little bushed actually today, so we'll see what we can do. But it should be beautiful, so we'll pack up and we'll head over there. We're headed to Tomales Trail Point Head.
Tomales Point Trailhead.
So we're headed to Tomales Point Trailhead. It's really foggy. So it's supposed to be amazing views, but there might not be any today. So we've got about 3 miles to go, and we'll see what we get. We've reached the end of the line, and it is so misty / foggy. I don't know what you'd be able to see. Probably nothing. What about right there? Vicky, do you need to use a payphone? You sure? You can get 4 minutes for $1. Established in 1858. So this is an old dairy farm. horse barn here.
Yeah.
And that first building was the dairy cows, right? Produced 932,429 pounds of butter.
Prime butter producing county in the state. My father used to put 2 pounds of butter in a square wooden box, and they had boats that rode it across the bay.
So do you think we can, yeah, it looks like we can hook up with the other trail up here. And so this one was the blacksmith's shop. And then this was like where a worker lived, or workers. Is that the school? They said there was a school here. So they had a schoolhouse in here. One of those two buildings there. Right there's the schoolhouse. Pretty cool. So it was a dairy ranch, and apparently dairy production was really big in this county. Butter and milk. I bet the cows were pretty happy here. You know, you compare the dairy farms are on the 5 freeway.
Oh yeah.
Where it's crazy hot.
They're just all packed in, and it's hot.
They're all packed in,
and
these
they're trying to like get little shade from little twigs of trees.
Now I've got my wife started, but
these are happy cows.
These would be happy cows. This would be if I was going to be a cow, this would be the ranch. No way. I wonder how many students were in there.
I don't know. The picture showed like about 8.
Uh-huh.
And they said that the teacher would house, live with the inhabitants.
The ranchers, or the people that own the ranch. Otherwise, it would be a huge trek every day to come up here to teach. And, so we're going to get back on the trail here, but we don't think we're going to be able to see the bay. It's so socked in. But so we're showing you a dairy farm. How about that? An old dairy farm.
That's the dairy farm house. I got that.
That's the ranch house, right? And someone's actually living in there now, it looks like. Rolling in. I don't think we're going to be able to see the bay. You can hear the water, and you can kind of see an opening. I know on this camera you won't be able to see anything, but it's like it's out there.
It's close.
Just socked in with fog.
The ranch back there is called Pierce Point Ranch.
Pierce Point Ranch from the 1800s. Okay, I'll be quiet and you can listen to the bay, Tomales Bay, that you can't see. down there. You'll just have to take our word for it. Maybe it'll clear. Maybe it'll clear a little bit before we get out of here, so you can see something. Well, we can't see anything either, so.
What are you doing?
Eating.
So if we stayed out here a few hours, kept hiking, it would clear. But we need to head back.
Well, everything you said about the beauty of Tomales Bay, it is pretty amazing. You can't see it, and we can't see it, but I'll put a picture up. But a lot of wildflowers.
Beautiful wildflowers.
And
the ocean sounds amazing.
yeah, and there's a beach right down there. But if it was clear, I'm sure it's everything they say it is. But too foggy, so we need to get back. Sorry we couldn't bring you a clear picture of the bay.
Ourselves, but we'll find one online for you.
Maybe next time. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. So open it up, Vic. Oh man,
Best
it looks
pizza
delicious.
ever.
It is the best pizza
It
ever.
is so good.